we Mr. Shahid Zoom tuition. Who is this guy? Okay. Anyway, are you all okay? All okay, right? We're going to start now, eh? Here we go. Okay, first of all, I want you now to write down what we call the special. This one might, I do not know whether any teacher teach this. Special. You write this down somewhere lah. Percentage ratio. Okay, this one you must know this, okay? Now, what is this? This is basically any percentage, confirm percentage, any percentage that is related to numbers. Now, if you know this, you can use it. Because some of you think you only need to use 100%. Okay, I'll show you in a moment. Let's say. Example, we say now. For example, this is an example. Okay, 40%, let's say, is equals to 60 students. And then you want to find, what you want to find? You want to find 100%? Then you use the formula, which is something you must master, okay? So what does the formula say? The formula say down here, remember, I'm going to write it in red. You must be able to master this, okay? Once you master this, percentage will be very easy. Always down here will be 1. Remember, down here, what do you write here? What you want to find. In this case, you want to find 100%. So you write 100% here, 100 here. Now this special ratio, the special ratio here, is where you fill in here. I repeat, this special percentage ratio is where you fill in inside here. Now, do you put percentage here or number here? You look on top. If on top is 100%, it's percent, below must be percent. So on top we put percent, you see, can you see? 100 here is 100%. So below we must take the 40%. So we write 40 here. And then this is related to a number. It corresponds to a number. It's connected to a number. We write this number here. And then you will get your answer. You will get what 100% is. Okay? Now what do you get? Your answer is 150 or something like that. Yeah, I think 150 students. Again, what is this special percentage ratio? Is when you know some percentage is equal to some number or amount of money or whatever. This is the one you fit in here. What you want to find is here, and 1 will always be here. That is the formula. Okay, I don't think your teacher teaches you this, right? No, right? This formula you can use from primary to secondary to wherever you want. Okay, so anyway, we are now going to go to the book itself, but I want you to remember this. Here we go. Now, I better make the announcement first. This comes from the Express book. Now, I do not want you to say Express, I cannot do. I'm not correct. No, you can do it. And why we practice Express? So they cover more skills. In case your normal academic paper is difficult, you are able to do this. Now, okay, we try very simple, very simple. You can use your calculator, get ready your calculator, okay? And then you send 45% of $18. Okay, this one you don't need a special ratio, right? Actually, the special ratio is there, but you all may not realize this, but it's okay. I will show you what the special ratio is. But you 45% of $18. Okay, send your answer. Send your answers in. You cannot do this one, that means you will be. Oh, sorry. Sophia has sent. Congratulations, Sophia. Sophia, you know where is the special ratio? There is a special ratio in here also. Okay. All percentage questions you do will have special ratio, whether you realize it or not. I'm going to go through shortly. Okay. And Sophia, you try question D also, this D. What is 1 hour of 20 minutes? Hold on. Hold on. What is it? No, never mind, never mind. No need to do B. We do B first, B. See whether anything else. Okay, B, come on, guys. B. Okay, if you're too slow, I will go through, because it's either you're not focusing or you are stuck. So if you're stuck, I will show you. If you're not focusing, then I'm waiting for nothing. So normally, you know, right? This one, 45 over 100 times 18. Very simple lah. Okay, this you get $8.10. Now I'm going to show you using the method I taught you. Just remember the special ratio. Now what's the special ratio? Okay, this $18 is the amount of money. What is it equals to? It's equals to 100%. Oh, 100%. Now, what you want to find out? You want to find out 45%. So watch how I do it. You will be able, this is one formula for all percentage questions. So now you don't know what it is. So what you want to find? You want to find 45%. Remember, you write it like that. Put 1 down here. What you want to find, you write here. This is your special ratio. If on top is percentage, it is percentage. Below must be percentage. So you put 100 here. And this correlates with $18. Can you see now? It's exactly the same. Actually, this is actually the special ratio. So you have been using it. But most of the time, you use it with 100 at the bottom. You don't need to do that. Okay, as we go to other questions, you don't need. So the answer is 810. All right, here we go. Okay, we move on and we go to a slightly difficult ones. We're going to jump advanced. Hold on. Intermediate one. Okay, this one. We try question number 6 now. Question number 6. You can see the question. You want to know what Susan's height? Jolene's height. Now remember, 100% can change. Talking about 100% can change. Zahira has sent an answer. Okay, Naman Zahira. Don't need to turn on, but send your answers. Come on, the rest, everyone. Do Susan's height first. This one you don't need to use percentage. Only the Jolene one you need to use percentage. Well done, Sophia. What about Hen? Where are you, Hen? Come on, Hen. This is express work. Which one is this, Hen? Cannot be Susan's height so tall. Something wrong here. Okay, cannot be. Either no human being is more than 3 meters. Or 2 meters plus. It cannot be. Okay, well done, Hen. Well done. Shafika, well done. So very easy, the first one, very easy. Zahira can do not, Zahira. First one, they just tell you 0.9 of the height. So just take 0.9. Off means times, right? Or you can just times 1.8. You'll get answer 1.62. Okay, now you try the next one now. You try the next one. Remember, it's 34% of both heights. Let's see now. I have not calculated yet. Okay, let's see whether you're right. Hold on. Well done, Sophia. Sophia, you're fast. You're faster than me. Shafika, to the nearest. No, not correct, Shafika. The next one is not correct. Your Jolene's one is not correct. Just hold on, Sophia. We are waiting for the rest. Maybe you can. You want to try the next one, but hold on now. Hold on now. Okay, you can try the next one, Sophia. But yeah, we are waiting for the rest. Well done, Hian. Congratulations. Hian, you can also do question 7A together with Sophia. Yeah, please go and take something. Whatever you need to take, please carry on. Okay, now we are going to go through shortly here. Okay, here we go. Down here, I already told you it's 1.62. And then you read what the question says now. What does the question says? Cannot be very short. 0.55 very short. Someone, you call them katik, pendeknya ni. 0.5 cannot be. This one might be toddler. 0.55 might be maybe, I don't know, maybe a 2-year-old or something. Now, now that you read the question carefully, it says that Jolene's height is 34% of the heights. There are some of the heights. Harry is 1.8. Susan is 1.62. You plus together, you get 3.42. 3.42 is the total height. You want 34%. So 34 over 100 times by 3.42. You will get 1.16 something, just 1.16 meters. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next one. Hayen, and I think if you have an answer, great. If not, we'll move on. Anyone confused? Not? Shafika, you confused? Shafika confused? No. Ilhan, you understand how to do? Just be careful. You can do this. Don't say this is express work. Although it is, but okay, let's see now. Number 9, please. Number 9. You need to ask yourself, what is 100%? Is Bibo 100%? Is weight, is it 100%? Or people's 100%? Do you know? Shafika, what do you think? Is Bilbo's mass 100% or people's mass 100%? Shafika is a photo only. Hian, you know which one? Hian, Ilhan, you know which one? Ilhan, is it Bibo or people's? Which one is 100%? You know not? Anyone knows? There's a clue word here. What about Sophia? Do you know which one is 100%, Sophia? Is Bibo's mass or people's mass 100%? You must know from this sentence, you must be able to know. From this sentence, you must be able to know. If you don't know, that means you don't understand percentage. Now, down here, we are comparing to who? Then people means we are comparing to people. People is 100%. Okay? Whoever you're comparing to, let's say now they ask you, who's richer? Hayen, comparing Hayen to Ilhan, who's richer? In this case, when I say compared to Ilhan, Ilhan is 100%. If I say no, some things then someone, that means 100%. That after that, then it's 100%. Let us see now. Okay, so now they want percentage difference. One say 50%, another one says 0.18. I don't know what it is. Is it 18%? Is it? People, yes, people is 100%. Correct, Ilhan. 50% cannot be lah. How you get 50%? Who is 100% here? Remember, who is 100%? That's the ratio we want to know. This 100% is who? We already say people. How heavy is people? People down here, they tell you is 4.5. This is your ratio. This is your ratio. Now, what you want to find? You want to find the difference. Okay, you can find, why don't you find what is 4 kg lah? Or you want even better, find what is 0.5 kg straight. Down here, 0.5 kg. How many percent is it? Because that's the difference, right? So now, how many percent? So all you need to do is, this is where you need to master the formula method. So I'm going to write the formula method for you. Those of you with videos off, I do not know whether you're paying attention or not. Like Zahira, she said video not working. That's a few weeks time. It's okay. You decide. I will make a decision for next year's one, whether to continue or not. There have been classes already cancelled this year. Okay, here we go down. Down here is 1, always 1. What you want to find? You want to find this one, or you don't know this one. So what do you know about this one? Is 0.5. Put the 0.5. Now this now is the ratio. Remember, tell you the special ratio there. The special ratio is here. So do we put 100 here or do we put 4.5? Very simple. If on top is weight, bottom must be weight. So bottom must be 4.5. And then down here, 100 lah. You get, I think you'll get 11.1. Is it? I'm not too sure. You can try. Answer for B is same for A. Let us see whether you're right. 0.5 divided by 4.5 times 100. See, 11.1%. So it is 11.1% less than people's. Okay, are you okay? You understand? Okay, if you say I don't know what to do, okay, you divide by 9 down here. Say I do not know how to get 9. Okay, take 4.5 divide by 0.5, you will get 9. So you take 4.5 divide by 9 down here, you divide by 9. What do you get? You'll get 11.1 here. Okay. If you don't know, please ask me. Why 4.5? Because people's weight is 4.5. And then, as I said, if you read the sentence carefully, people's mass, Bibo's mass is less than people. Then people means this is 100%. This is the clue. Then something. You're comparing to people. So people 4.5, 100%. And then Bibo's 4 kg. Why did I write 4 kg? They want to know the mass that is less. What is less? 0.5. 4.5 minus 4 kg gets 0.5. So now how much is this in percentage? That's what they're asking. So you can divide by 9 on here, divide by 9, you get the answer. Or you can use a formula method. Put 1 on here. What do you want to find? You want to find 0.5 kg. How many percent is this? Put 0.5 here. And then this is your ratio, your special ratio for percentage. So 4.5, 100%. So you just write it down, you will get your answer this way. Okay, we move on. We move on. Let's before I clear, let us see what does the next question say. The next question saying Zipo's mass is 3.5 kg. Let X be the difference by which now is it people or Bibo? Now they're comparing to Bibo, you know. So I'm gonna wrap up certain parts, okay, so that you can be very, very clear. Because this is your standard now for what? For secondary school, yeah. So now, in just now's conversation, we compare Bibo to people. Now they tell you Zipo is 3.5 kg. And then they're comparing Zipo to BIBO. Okay, the difference is 100%. But when they say this, remember what I said, you got to identify 100%. Down here is 100%. Okay, who is 100%? BIBO lah. Why? As I told you, this is a clue word then. When you have then, it means this is 100%. Okay, this is the comparison you're making too. So now, you got to find out now, you compare now, Zipo to BIBO. BIBO is 4 kg. Zipo is 3.5 kg. So let us see, we are comparing to BIBO. 4 kg is how much? 4 kg is 100%. See, I thought it's not 4.5 kg. Just now was this 100% is different. 100% here is comparing between Pipo and BIBO. And when they say who is 100% here, this one in this question, Pipo is 100%. But in this question, BIBO is 100%. You got to understand very clearly, yeah? So 100% now is 4 kg. Just now, 100% was 4.5 kg. Now, then we want to see what's the weight, 3.5 kg. So if you want to find the difference, 4 minus 3.5 is 0.5 kg also. So far saying, 0.5 is the same thing. Are we going to get 11.1%? No, we will not get 11.1%. Why? Let us see. We write down now. We want to find 1 here. This one you write here. 1 you want to find 0.5. You write 0.5 here. Then we must write this special ratio beneath here, right? 4 kg, we write 4. Down here is 4.5, you know. And 100% is here. Why I write down here? Because 4 kg is equal to 100%. So I use this ratio now. Just now I use this ratio, yes. Because earlier question says Pipo is 100%. This question says BIBO is 100%. But I understand very clearly, yeah? So now you try now, what do you get? 0.5 divided by 4, 1.8, I think 12.5. Let me see, 0.5 divided by 4 times 100. You get 12.5%. Different, huh? Why do you think they give this question? They want you to understand that 0.5 kg and 0.5 kg, there's now 0.5, this is 0.5, doesn't mean they will give the same percentage. It depends on what your 100% is. Okay? All right, now. So let x be, so we already found x, x is 12.5. Is x greater or less than the answer A? Is greater. Why? Because the 100% is different. 100% now is 4 kg. There's not 100% was 4.5 kg. Now who's confused? Anyone confused? Better tell me now. Otherwise, as we go on, we got to repeat this over and over and over. But I'm not too sure. Ilhan, are you okay, Ilhan? Sophia, you get it? Don't know whether you all are getting it. Okay. Raihana, how Raihana? You get it? Don't know, no response lah. Unconscious. Okay, let's see. Zahira, are you okay, Zahira? Hira, you there? Shafika, you understand? I don't know. Everyone, Anggo. Don't know whether they understand or not. Hey, okay, no, here. Do you get what I'm saying here? I can see only forehead. I can see forehead. Okay, lah. You guys got very nice forehead lah. Okay, here we go. Well done. Here we go. We're gonna move on. But I have just given you some of the most important points in Sec 1. You see, now we got percentage change. You don't master this thing, that's it, you know. We're going to go to deeper and deeper waters. So what is deeper and deeper waters? Okay, let us try down here. Let us try this one. Basic mastery. This one will give you, okay, we try number 1. Now, first of all, original value is always 100%. Okay, I just do the first one with you. So original value down here is how many? 100%. You must know this is 100%, okay? And then new value is here. What's the increase? Increase is 1 liter. How to find the increase? You use a formula. I'm giving you down here, you write 1. Now, what is the ratio? This is the ratio. This is the ratio. 4 liters is 100%. What do you want to find? You want to find increase. You want to find this 1. Put the 1 down here. What's the ratio that you know? 4 liters, 100%. Put 4 down here. Times 100. What will you get? You get 25%. Some of you may say, this teacher, this method very confusing. I want to do my method. I say, what is your method? You tell me like that. Okay, 4 liters. Okay, I show you. Some of you will tell me this, no? And I'm not saying you're wrong, but you are using still the old method. It's okay. But when it comes to difficult questions, you might be lost. This one, 4 liters is 100%. I can find 1%. What? Or I can find 1 liter. 1 liter. I divide by 4 lah. Can, no problem. You divide by 4, you get 25% also. Correct. You can do this for now, but later on, if you don't master this formula method, you are going to get lost later. I need you to master this method. This method will save you from a lot of headache. Okay, but anyway, can you please try now question B, C, and D? Okay, and go please. Down here, you need to have 2 answers. We do B first lah. Okay. Some very easy. See, 5 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. This one you should know what to do. Okay, can do mentally already lah. Okay, come. The answers coming in. Come on, Shafika. Why didn't you tell me just now, Shafika? If you wanted angles, I asked you. You want angles? I can do angles, no problem. But I need to prepare the worksheet, right? Why 4.5? Oh, this one just now. Okay. If you want to do angles, I need to zap all this. I need to scan, you see, before the lesson. But I think angles, you're quite okay, right? You want to do angles? I can do some angles now. Just now you messaged me, what? You could have told me, hey, can we do angles? I would just tell you yes, no problem. Or you can tell me, can we do both? Just be upfront with what you want. Okay, I do not know what's taking too long. Maybe you understand, maybe not understand, maybe you're not here. So we go through. Let's see, Sophia now. Answer. Well done, Sophia. 15%. Oh yeah. Okay, so you just plus. This one is 100%. How do we know? As I said, this is the original value comparing to. Okay, let me see. I'm seeing some comments. As you write to me, I'll be reading what is. Can I repeat the method? Okay, sure. I'll repeat the method. Okay. Down here now, this is 100%. How do we know it's original compared to the new? The new will always not be 100%. Okay, and then, so how to get the new value? Original plus increase. 4 plus 1 get 5. So down here, 6 plus 9, you get 15. 15 Celsius, degrees Celsius. Now down here they are asking you this in percentage, how much is it? That's what they are saying. That's what they're asking. So very simple, the method, Ilhan, and the rest is like this. Always you will have 2 fractions, always. So I will draw the line for the 2 fractions. Okay, this times this. Down here will always be 1, no matter what. It cannot be any other number, will always be 1. Down here is what you want to find out. So what you want to find out? You say percentage increase. You want to know the increase. You know its increase is 6. So you write 6 here. But you want to find percent. So let us see now. Down here, this one from here must be the correlation between percentage and a number you know. So what do I mean by that? Down here, you know, this one's percent, right? Not percent, Celsius. So what Celsius know? Oh, I know it's 15 Celsius. 15 right here. Oh, sorry, wrong. This is 100%. I know this one. I don't know how much this is. I don't know. So I don't write this one. I only write this one. Why? Because I know it's 100%. So I put 9 is to 100%. When I times it out, I get 66.6%. So again, I'll write it down for you step by step. You know that 100%, you know, is 9 degrees. And then you want to find what is 6 degrees. You want to find. So this now is what you write on top. Because this is what you want to find, you write on top. 1 is here, always 1 here. This one is the ratio. Now, do you write 100 here or do you write 9 here? Look at the top one. The top one is what? Is degrees. So bottom must be degrees. You write degrees. And it's correlated to 100%. So you write 100%. Okay, that's as simple as that. Can we try question C then? When we try question C, let us see now. So if I finish the whole thing. You see 1.5. Let's see whether you got trick or not. Okay, Sophia, well done. Okay, Husna Shafia, well, not 107, Husna Shafika. Okay, let me see now. I see what Ilhan said. Yes, Ilhan, correct. So Shafika, 2.8, no. Shafika, the new value is 200. This is an increase of 3 minutes. How do you find the original? Original must be less, correct? You see, 5 minus 1 equals to 4. 15 minus 6 equals to 9. 200 minus 3 equals to 197. So you write 197 here. So 100% is 197 minutes. Remember, this is 100%, you know. And then what? And then you do this ratio thing all over again. Do the same thing. Okay. If you say you are not confident to go to the formula straight, you write it down. So what to write down? Okay, I write down. What do you know about? Okay, 197 is 100%. You write that down now. You already have 100% and number. Remember? What's the number? 197. Now they want to know what's the percentage increase. No, so much. 98 point, I think. Yes, Ilhan, your answer is correct. Make it 1 decimal place is okay. So down here is minutes. Now what you want to find? You want to find. Now Ilhan, you got it correct, yeah? Confident. So this is now what you want to find. Percentage increase. Increase is 3 minutes, but they want in percent. How many percent is 3 minutes? Oh, 3 minutes, how many percent? You write it here. You write it here, 3 minutes. Once you have something like this, you can already do. How to do? Use a formula. What do you write here? 1. Well done, Shafika. 1. What you want to find? You want to find the 3 minutes, how many percent? Write the 3 on top. And then this 100 and 197 is down here. You write here. But do you write 100% here or at 197? Look at the top number. The top number is in minutes. Bottom must be in minutes. So it's 197. Down here is 100. And then you will get the answer 1.5222. Just put 1.5. Okay. All right. Can we do the last one? D, please. Yeah, go, Sophia, go. Can we try D now? I hope you all can make it. Please try your best to make it because this is basic. Once you get this, trust me, percentage is going to be very easy. You'll be telling yourself, how come I didn't know this earlier? But I can't help you if your mind is not in it. Azahira, I hope you are in it. Rahana, I hope you are in it. Hayan, I hope you are in it. I'm not getting answers for you three. So you don't need to prove it to me. You don't need to prove it to me. You just need to do it for yourself. No one is going to stop you. Shafika, when's your exam? Is it when are you having your exam for angles? Is it this week or next week or how? Next week. Right, I'll check. Oh, Shafika, give me an answer. I've not checked the answer now. Let us see now. Now you know this again. You know this 100%. You know this 100%. You can find out. You can find out now. What is 1.5%? Very easy lah. Find out what's 1.5%, and then you will be able to get it. Okay, we try what is 1.5%. Huh? Let's see whether. Let's see. Did she get it correct? Shafika, well done. So what is the new value? Can you write down the new value, please? Let us see whether Sophia is correct. Sophia made mistake. Cannot be lah, Sophia. Something is wrong. Sophia, your answer is wrong. New value cannot be. I think Shafika, you also made mistake. Your new value so big lah. Sophia, your answer for D is wrong. Do you add properly? You can use a calculator, you know. How to get, remember, wait. The increase, so the original must be smaller and this one must be bigger, you know. Yeah, now you're correct, Shafika. Okay, some of you are forgetting already lah. So we have to go through again. Increase minus 31.25 cannot be. Okay, here we go. Now we go step by step. Do you know what you know about this percentage down here? You know original, let's say 100%. So you can write down here lah. 100% is 4.8. You mean some of you need to do this until you're very clear about the ratio. And then what you want to find? You want to find 1.5%. How much is it? This is very basic, but this one now you use your primary school method, you can find out now. 1.5 over 100 times 4.8. And you will get the answer to be 0.072 kg. And it's correct. This is 0.072 kg. Then now you got to ask yourself, how to get this center number? You see, 197 plus 3, 200. 9 plus 6, 15. So take 4.8 plus 0.072, get 4.872 kg. Yeah, I hope you are okay. Only Shafika got it correct. So we move on. Okay, we move on. Okay, don't say it's because this is what? Express. No, nothing to do that. So now let us look at question number 4. A question that may come out for your exams. This style of question may come out, not exact question. So now you think about it. Ask yourself how many percent, which one is how many percent? What is $200 100%? It's 160 100%. You got to make a decision now. Remember down here, original value, I say 100%. Original value 100%. So you should know what to do. Girls and boys, you must master this because you are going to become adults. Next time, a small difference in percentage value will mean a lot of money to you. Example, 2% for your HDB flat you want to buy. 2% might be the loan amount. So you must know all this. You must know how to calculate. Let us see now. Cannot be so much. Cannot be so much, Mr. Head. That means what is your 100%? Congratulations, Miss Shafika. You seem to be getting it. Try the next one. Okay, but they ask you for percentage decrease here. Your answer is correct, but you're not reading carefully. You are giving what's the discounted price? What's the price compared to the original? No, no, no. That's still the 160 compared to 200. That's the answer. But what's the decrease? The decrease of Sophia, $40, not 40%. Come on, Sophia. Come on, Sophia. What is it in? What is that $40 in percent? Come on, Ilhan and all the rest. Come on, Rahana. Come on, Zahira. Come on. You are already adults. You must be able to do this. See what this teacher was saying. Already adults. They're not adults. Okay. Akila, up to you. But you are already functioning like adults. You want to be treated like adults. So I want to treat you like adults. So up to you to pull up your pants. You see, I'm not wearing a pants, wearing a sarong. Okay, well, I'm also wearing a sarong now. Let's see. Okay, Ilhan, Sophia, well done. Heian, well done. You got it. Mr. Ilhan, this at first he bought for 200. Then later he sell for 160. You know, there's a drop, right? Drop of what? $40. So we write down the comparison. Let's write down the special ratio. What is 100%? 100% is the original price. I write it down on here. You must always write this down, like that. Okay. Good. So what you want to find? You do not want to find $160. You want to find the decrease. Decrease how many dollars? 200 minus 60 is $40. You want to find how much is this $40 in percentage. See where they say that percentage decrease. So what to do? Use the formula like that. Use the formula. What do we write at the bottom here? Always 1. Yes, 80, you're correct for this one. This is 80. 160 is 80. So how many percent drop? From 100% to 80%. How many percent drop? You got it already, Ilhan. 100% drop to 80. How many percent drop? That's what they're asking you. What's the percentage decrease? So I will use this formula now. What I want to find? I want to find $40 in percentage. I put 40 here. So what do I know? Then the ratio, this ratio I got on here. So do I write 100 here or 200? This side on top is money, you know. Bottom must be money. So. And down here, 100%. And you will get 20%. Ilhan, get it or Ilhan? You see, 100% drop to 80% means there's a drop of 20%. 100 minus 80 is 20%. So 20% is here. Okay, the next one now, the next one. Mr. Go, notice his 100% is different. We are not talking about Miss Ong, no. Miss is a lady. Mr. Go is a man. After that, he go and sell, he make a profit of $15, 15%. What was the price? You must do this thing all over again, but now with new numbers. What is 100%? You got to make a decision. What is 100%? And what you want to find? You want to find, are you sure 15? You can write your whole number you want to find. See what whole number? Okay, I'll write straight away 115%. Why? Because it is including the profit. But I say I want to try 15%. Can. Then later you must plus to the buying price. No problem. Let us see. Mr. Heian now has gotten it. Congratulations, Mr. Heian. Well done. You're back in the game, Heian. You're back in the game. Shafika, what beautiful fingers you have. Come try this, Shafika. What lovely fingers you have, Shafika. Come. Aduh, she's a mirror on the wall. Okay lah, come on. Ustaz Shafika, dot. Come on. You know what is the new 100%? Shafika, what's the new 100%? Sophia, what's the new 100%? $12. Ilhan, is it 12%? $12. Okay. I already sent. You sent me dot. Oh, you sent me earlier. The answer is wrong. 230 cannot be. Because you know why? You go and take this, you see, you're not listening, Shafika. I tell you there's different 100%. You go and take 200 as 100%. Mr. Ong, we are talking about Mr. Go here. What is 100% of Mr. Go? He bought $160, so 100% is $160. You say, no, I like Miss Ong. Miss Ong is Miss Ong. This is Mr. Go. Aduh, dia talking to someone else. Shafi, don't disturb your sister. I'm trying to teach her. Okay, come. She's already distracted already by her fingernails. Come, Shafika, 160 is 100%. Say, how do you know? This is the price he bought what? You see, no, 200 is Miss Ong, different person. So now, as I tell you, I repeat again, 100% can change. You see, at first it was 200, yes. Now it's 160, yes. This is percentage. So now you want to find 115, very simple lah. Just do like that lah. Put 1 here. What you want to find? You want to find 115, right? Right, 115. What is this percent? Yes, this is percent. So below must be percent. So what percent? 100 here. And put a 160 here. And you will get Mr. Hayen's answer is $184. You'll get it or not? Sophia, you get it? Sophia, you don't get it. Which part you don't get it, Sophia? Oh, 184, you already sent. I don't know where you send, where I can't see it. Okay, lah, okay, you send already. Sophia, which part you don't understand? Just say. Okay, why 115? Okay, now they want you to find the price Mr. Go sell. He made a profit of 15. Okay, no problem. You want to find 15%, you can find 15%, no problem. But after that, you still have to add to 160. Why? Because he didn't just sell 15%. He sent 100%, which is $160, plus the 15%. 15% is how much? 15% is $24. You must plus these two. This is 15%, right? You don't believe 15%? See, 15 over 100 times 160. This is 15%. Right? What is it? It's $24. If you say he sold a painting for $24, he didn't make a profit, make a loss lah. So the profit is 15%, is $24. I must plus it to 160. So why I take 115? I champo straight 100 plus 15, get 115. This is the price, 100%, this profit. So this is the total amount he received, which is 184. But you say, I'm confused, you know. Last time in school, in primary school, I only learned the profit, I find 15%. Okay, lah, then you find 50%. How much is it? You find $24. Okay, good. So what you're going to do, $24? You see, the price he sell must include the 160. So I add together, I get 184, correct? I'm doing shorter method. I just plus original plus profit is 115. So I find straight 115. Are we okay, Sophia? Okay, I'm giving a faster way. Okay, why? Because you're in secondary school already, you know, you don't want to use a slower method. And this method works. All right, here we go. We move on now. Next week, I'll go through angles lah. Miss Shafika, it's too late. Is it too late, angles, to go next week? Shafika, is it too late not to go through angles next week? Okay, then we go through angles next week. Any other topic you want me to go through, just tell me, please. I am your servant. Huh? Servant? Can you clean my house? Okay. Oh my goodness, Rayhana is so happy. Hey, please, I come to my house to clean. Can you clean my cat? Or can you bathe my cat also? You know, I have someone that we used to order lepat from, and sometimes I feel glee, you know, because the house is full of cats, and I feel the lepat waiting is a cat flavor, fur flavor, cat fur. But is it mengumpat? I did not know it's a relative of mine. Saya nak lepat ni flavor Paris kucing. Alright, we try. Ask yourself,
so
what is 100%?
Is male.
Male.
Is 45.
But, yeah, 45% male. But now what is 100%? In the workers into
1,000.
1,020. Good. Well done. Well done. But now they ask you, careful. Now the question is asking you percentage increase in female workers. You have to look at what? You have to look now in 100% now of female. Okay, this one is 100% of all workers. But the question is not asking you that. That's why you got to look at what the question is saying. The question is saying female workers. Female workers. Aduh, this one. Question not too precise. Hold on. Find the percentage increase in the number of female workers. So now 2018 female workers is 100%. Okay, remember, this 100% is different from the top 100%. This is not 1020. You got to find out 2018 how many female workers. That is the 100% of the female workers. Then you find the increase. I hope you know what I'm talking about. Hen, you okay, Hen? Hen, is that background real or is it a photo? It looks very nice. I must use that. Or you use a certain filter, Hen. Oh, Hen. Filter. You later tell me how to get the filter. What is the filter you use to make it blur? Like Raihana's one, sometimes blur. I can see some creature behind. Okay, but anyway. Zoom filter. Zoom filter. Okay. I must check out. So, Zoom filter. I'm learning a lot from the students. I think I have to pay them money. Please pay them money. Sophia is telling me how much to pay. 2.5% to pay. Okay lah, 2.5%. 2.5% increase. Let us see. Hold on now. Well done, Sophia. Well done. Okay, Sophia is getting in. 5.4, you got to check. You have to check how many female workers were there in 2018. You got to find out. If 25% is male, 55 must be female. So you find out now. How much female? You take this one. This is the number of female workers. Aduh. Hayan, congratulations, Hayan. Well done. Now the next one, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. Hold on. You're too fast for me, Sophia. You like Speedy Gonzalez, Really fast one. Well done, Sophia. Let us see. Ilhan, you got to check Ilhan. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna go through shortly. We give you another 2 minutes more. Sophia, you can try doing the, but you don't know whether you can see. Never mind, you wait for a while. We're waiting for the rest. Now imagine, Sophia, you are the fastest now. How does it feel, Sophia? Sophia, how do you feel? You are being the fastest now. She cover her mouth. She doesn't want to. She's covering her smile. Ilhan, something not quite right. Okay. Either that is smelling her hand. Either one. Okay. Well done, Shafika. Hold on. I forgot now. Which is which now? Forgot my answer. No. Something is wrong. Your answer, Shafika. Okay, we'll go through one by one. Okay, we go through one by one. For those of you who are finding it difficult, please focus. If you find it difficult, we have to focus now. So first of all, we need to find what is the number of female workers in 2018. Now, how do we do that? Okay, how do we do that? Let's try. We take 55%. Where do I get 55%? If 45% is male, 100 minus 45% give you 55%. 55% is female. Okay, I hope this one is okay. So now how to find the female workers in 2018? Take 55 over 100 times 1020. Hold on. My ink right now. Times 1020. Now what do we get? I have to calculate all over again. 1020 times 0.55, 561. This is the number of women, 100% of the women workers in 2018. This 100%. So what you wanna find? You wanna find the percentage increase. Did they increase? Yes, 14 more women were employed. This is the increase in numbers, 14. So now, okay, we write the ratio lah, so you're very clear. Okay, 100% of the women, 561. Now what you want to find? You want to find 14 of these workers. How many percent? So now you write, put the 1 on here. What you want to find? You want to find 14, right? 14 on top. Then the ratio, this ratio must be below. Do you put 100 here or 561? If the top is number, below must be number. So 561. Times by 100. And you get the answer to be 561, 14 divided by 561 times 100. 2.5 lah. 2.5% increase. Okay, this is simple, right? Now the next one now. What's the decrease? You got to find the number of male workers in 2018 because that is the 100%. This is the 100% now. How many? Okay, since we know it's 561.
So the answer for 5A is
2.5. Yeah. But do you understand? You don't understand. You understand? Eh? Who don't understand? Just tell me now. You don't understand. Rayana, you understand? Yes. Okay, now we move on to the male workers. See how many male workers were there? Well, take 1020 minus 561. You get the answer. Okay. 1020 minus 561. You will get the answer 459. So 459 is 100% of the male workers. 459 is 100% of male workers. And this is in 2018, you know, right? So now what we want to do? We want to find what? We want to find the number down here. See, I use another color now. The number of 9 male workers they resign. That means it's a decrease. So this is the decrease in number of male workers. How many? 9. 9 of them is how many percent? That's what they are saying. So how many percent? So use the formula again. 2 fractions, right? What do you write here? Right, number 1. What you want to find? 9. You put 9 on top here. What is below? 459. Why? Because if on top is number, bottom must be number, and then put the percent here. Now, once you do that, you will get the answer to be 9 divided by 459 times 100. You get 1.96%. And that is your answer. Anyone confused or not? Anyone confused or not? If not, we will go through. If not, we go through. Okay, you must understand this. So, Rahana, you confused? You raise hand? No. Okay. Okay. So now, if you're okay, you move on. Okay, because this is like here. Let's see something else. 1.96. Okay, I will clear this one. I hope you all are okay. Okay, because sometimes your teacher may not teach in this method. This is a very simple method. You say, no, your method is really, well, anyway. We go to advanced. Advanced, here we go. Can we try question number 9, please? Question number 9. Remember, 100% will change. Before, they had green marble 60%, red marbles 40%. Now you want green to be 52%. You want to take out the green marbles. You must remember that your total number of marbles is different. So your 100% is different. You try. The clue is with the red marbles. Your clue is with the red marbles. The percentage will change for red marbles, but the number of marbles doesn't change. That is your clue. I think I'm talking too loud here. I've been told I'm talking too loud. Very sorry to those at home. Ask yourself, what doesn't change is the red marbles. That is your clue. So what clue? What clue? You will know the clue. How many percent is the red marbles here? How many percent later? That is your clue. I repeat. Let's see, I'm not calculated yet. I'm going to calculate with you, but let's see. 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. Hey, Hin, you call me Hen? I was just about to answer Hen. Are you okay? Miss voice call. Tafika, wake up! Eka! Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Hey, Azan. This one picture what? Oh, photo eh? Hey. Oh, real. I thought photo. Lakonan. Accidental touch. Okay, no problem. Anyone? Come on. Okay. If you are a little bit confused, I will help you here and there. Now, how many percent is the rate? 40%. Can you find out what's 40% of 150 marbles? You find first. I will do mentally. You can do this. Here we go. 40, 20. I think it's 60 marbles. 40% is 60 marbles. Yes, 8% has been removed. Now 60 marbles. Okay, as we say in our story, first, at first. And then later. Yes, later. So what is, okay, hold on. So now, later 60 marbles is still the same. This is red marbles. So there is no change in the red marbles. But at first, it was 40%. Later, how many percent was it? Later, if the green marbles is 52%, how many percent is red marbles? 100 minus 52, you have 48. Huh? How come the number of percentage can go up? I told you again, 100% can change. At first, there was 150 marbles. This is 100%. But when you remove the green marbles, now there's lesser number of marbles. So the 100% have changed. So now at first, red marbles is 40%. I can find out what it is. 40 times over 100 times 150, I get 60 marbles. This same 60 marbles now is later on 48%. So how to do that? Find out now what is 100% here. Find out what is 100%. Or find out what is 52%, even better. What is 52%? If you want. How many marbles is this? Anything like you want 100%, okay lah. Okay, I leave it to you. I think we take 100% better lah, because you can take 52%, so no problem. Okay, now how many marbles is this? You find out lah. Aduh, penatnya, sama yawning. All right, now put one down here. What you gonna find? 100% or 50%, whichever you want. 48%, 60 marbles. So what do you get? You got the answer. You got the answer. You know how much is it? 125. So from 150 drop to 125, how many marbles were removed? 150 minus 125, you get 25 marbles removed lah. You get it or not? But we don't do the next one. We just do this one first. Let me see now. Anyone? No one. They didn't ask you for percentage remove. They say find the number of green marbles removed. So again, I run through again first. You have to understand that 100% can change depending on the situation. At first, 100% means total. 100% is 150 marbles. Once you take out the marbles, 100% or total is different, is lesser. So at first, the red marbles is 40%. Later become 48%, but red marbles didn't change. Percentage can change. Why? Because the total number of marbles change, right? So down here now, and why does it change? Because your number of 60 at first was over 150. Then you get 40%. But later on, it's still 60, but over 125. Your total is different. Can you see now? So this becomes, hold on, let me just, so over 125. So now your percentage increase. Say percentage increase, but there was no increase in marbles. Yes, but there was a decrease in the total number of marbles. So your percentage become higher. Why? Because there are lesser marbles now. I hope you understand what I mean. So down here now, this can change because the total number changed from here to here. Yeah. All right. We move on to the next one. Okay, we don't do B yet. I want you to try. Let us try gain confidence, and then we move on. So otherwise, it's continuation. It might be a little bit headache. No. We do reverse percentage. What is reverse percentage? Okay, we try number A. What is W? Try to fill in the blanks here, if you can. This one is what you fill in. I'm helping you in filling in. If you can, you fill in this one. You must know where to put the 36. Is it here or is it here? You got to choose. Okay, then you find what's W. Okay, let's see whether you're right. Maybe it's too small, Ilhan. Is it too small? Anyone got answer? So I'm gonna read out to you and change this into a what? Into an equation. Okay, watch. This one say 12%. Okay, this one 12% off. Off means times, right? 12% times total weight. Total weight now. W is total weight lah. Okay, total is equals to 36. So 12% is 36 kg. So they ask you what is 100%. You use the method I thought this is the best way. But still, if you are confused, then you can go back to primary school method. No choice. Let's say you say, I need to find 1%. Okay, you find 1%. But this method will actually use 1%. So you put 1 here. What you want to find? You want to find what's the total weight, W, which is 100%, right? 100 at top. If this is percent, below must be percent. So below, the percent here is 12. 36. What do you get? think you will get 100 divided by 12, 300 kg. Okay, we move on. Move on, okay? B, please. Sophia, I missed call, Sophia. You call me? It's okay. Too many people accidentally call. Just now I got a call, was it yesterday? It says, we have been calling you many times, but you have not been responding to our call. There is something wrong with your DBS account, and you know that this is a scam. When you get that sort of message, you don't respond. People have lost thousands, millions of dollars on scam. Have you all seen scammers on video? No? You all want to see? No? Do not know whether you all are awake, but never mind. Okay, come, we do question B. If you want to see the scammers, I can show you scammers. Caught. How they trick, they call from another country. You know? All right, first of all, we write down what is the relationship. X is increased by 30%. X increased by 30%. X is the total. So X down here is 100%. So X increased by 30% is 40 degrees. So that means when it increase means plus 30, you know. So that means 130% is 40 degrees. What do you want to find? X is 100%. You want to find what's 100%. You must be able to write this. This always, you notice now, always I write there's two statements. From here, I know what to find. Oh, I have a question mark here. That means 100 must write here. Always. And then how? Oh, some percentage. Yeah? Percentage. Below must be percent. 130. And write 40 here. So cancel. 140 times 100 times 40, 400 divided by 30. It's a decimal place. So this is the original, I think is 30.77 degrees Celsius. Okay, we will stop here for this one. We'll go to another set of worksheets because I do not want you all to feel overwhelmed, but more or less you're supposed to master the standard. There we go. All this now I'm going to normal academic. And then some say, well, thank goodness. We have done some of these questions, so let us try now. Okay, you try question. Okay, for those of you who don't understand, I will explain them. Students in a university architecture faculty, this is the faculty, the department in a university that studies architecture, which is how to design buildings. They do their internship. Internship means before graduating, they need to work in a company that is dealing with architecture. Okay, so they can do it locally in Singapore or can do it in other countries. So again, students in the university, they are going to do their special program where they work in companies, either locally or overseas. 2018-95 out of 150 students did their internship locally. 2019-55 out of 155 students did their internship overseas. Now remember, the original year is 2018, so this is 100%. But it really depends on what the question says. In which year did a higher percentage of students do their internship locally? No, this one now is a different type of question. Huh? Can you, so you must find out percentage of students doing internship locally, how many percent? Percentage of students doing internship locally for the other one also, how many percent? Then you need to compare which one had a higher percentage. Okay. Which one is more? You just need to find the percentage here. Locally, they want locally. So you need to use the formula twice. You can see which one had more percentage of mod. You all look very tired already lah. Then we do this question, last question, I'll share you something on the net. But we can continue, alhamdulillah, we can continue. So which one? Okay, Ilhan. So, okay, Ilhan, you have given the answer, good try, let's see. Now, first of all, we need to know 95 out of 150 did internship locally. So 95 over 150 times 100. This one now they didn't give. So they give overseas. 155 minus 55 get 100. So 100 students did their internship locally. So 100 over 155 times 100. You will get the answer. This one, okay, 95 divided by 63.3%. The other one is 64.5%. So in 2019, so this is 2019. Huh? In 2019, there was a higher number of students doing their internship locally. And I can see so many videos are off. Okay. All right. You want me to share? You want me to share what I told you about the scammers? This might be interesting for you. You may want to do your research if you want to. Let's say you are taking O levels or whatever, and there's a topic about scammers. You may want to go on. So, can you see my screen? This one. BBC scammers India. There's this. Oh, I forgot what's his name. This guy actually hacked into the scam. Okay, let me just share again. And you see how sophisticated they are. The BBC stories.
I was just on the internet, got a pop-up. Computer is blocked. Is this the only card you have? Because that will cost more money. Hey, why are you crying, man? You're a very good man.
For those of you who don't understand what's happening, these are scammers. No? They call up innocent people telling them you have certain problem, your card, you must pay this money, give us your card number, and then money got transferred illegally. So what this guy did by the name of Jim Browning, he hacked into the scammers HQ, headquarters, and he managed to record all of this. Very advanced, huh? See? This is the
I
office.
found the whole thing incredible. I think it's pretty unique to be
You see, these are the scammers eating, whatnot. You know, he can see everything the scammers are doing in the building.
able to see scammers in action. I really do want to.
So they have a call center where they call people from all over the world. And they tell you, can I have your credit card number? Can I have your ATM card number? If you hear any like that for yourself or anyone else, your parents and all, advise them, this is scammer. If the bank wants to call you, they will ask you to go to the bank, and then you go to the bank and do your transaction. This is cheating. Why? You know, with certain ATM card numbers, you take down the numbers, they can withdraw the money from there.
The whole world to see what this looks like.
Thank you for calling Online Technical Support. This is Mary. How may I help you today?
Important security message. Please do not attempt to shut down or restart your computer.
So imagine one day you're using your computer, then you get this message. What do? You call up the number down there, right? And this is call technical support.
Thank you for holding the line. I really appreciate your time and patience. My name is Chris Lawson.
I bet it's starting to warm where you are.
Yeah, it is very hot here in California.
Ah, bloody hell, I'll have to come over there then.
Yeah, please. We'll go to the beaches, you know.
Ah, that'd be nice.
So anyway, this is something to share with you that you may want to watch on your own. But now, who is the guy? Wait, the guy who is hacked into the scammers? Are they white hackers? No, that's a white hacker. The guy who hacked inside is a white man. He's a real white man. And then the one who are the scammers, they are from India, and they pretend to call. I'm calling from California, and then the man will ask, "Give me your address." So you give the address. See, your office is in the middle or whatever place. Can you tell me what's in front of your office if you know your office? Of course, they are not in California, so they don't know, right? So then he will penetrate and tell them this and that. And he called the BBC. The BBC actually visited them. But you know, India being India, they have a lot of corruption. So it's a little bit difficult. If it's Singapore, it's so much more easier, right? To map the culprits. Okay, we do a last one, question 14, please. Oh, no. Sorry. Yeah. We do question number 2. Question number 2A, 2B, and 2C, and then we can call it a day. Okay, you have 1 minute because it's not too tough. But 1 minute to do this. Again, you need to know what is 100%. If you don't know what's 100%, you won't be able to do. Okay, let's see, Irhan. 15% numbers. Okay, you must ask yourself. Okay, so now you must see the link. 15% is 90. So 15% is 90. The number is 100%. What is 100%? They're asking. Can you try again? So you can do whatever method you want to find 5%, 1% go up, or you can use the formula method, which is the fastest. Yeah, leave it to you. I hope you guys can master the formula method. Sophia, no, cannot be Sophia. Cannot just plus, no. So you want to find 100%. No, that's smaller. 15% already 90, you know. What's 100%? You put 100 on top, down here 1 below. And then percentage on top, percentage below. 15 must be below 90. And then you'll get your answer. If you're unclear, I'll show you therefore the easier method again. Your answer is 600. The number is 600. If you don't believe, you take 15% of 600 because they say 15% of the number is 90. 15% of 600, you will get 90. Cancel 2 zeros, cancel 2 zeros. 15 times 6 get 90. So down here, say, okay, you find 1% down here. 90 divided by 15, you get 6. Then from here, you want to go 100 times by 100. Times by 100, you get 600. But as I said, if you mastered it, if you know how to use this, this is very fast. Okay, we do a last question here. It's 9:30 already. Okay, question B. Question B. One minute. One, two, oh, says Sophia. Let us see whether you're right. 83.3, that says nothing. Okay, let us see. So we have to identify first what is what. The number is 100%. The number is 100%. So I write down the 280% is 336. 100%, we don't know. We want to find 100%. 100% is a number. How much? So we can use this method straight. Put 1 here. What do you want to find? You want to find 100%. If on top is percent, make bottom be percent. Bottom 280. 336. So what do we have? So, okay, next week we'll go through angles, but at the same time, I think we need to go through, let me just write this down so that when I check. So next week, next week we go through angles. Any other topics you want to go through? Angles? I think we need to go through percentage because it's still not yet mastered. Any other topics? 5.25. I have not gone through the last one. Okay, these two lah. Unless you got anything, you must tell me. Okay. Okay, I'll catch up with you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.